This is one of my earlier posts about the Rocket 3. You'll know that the small screen that came with it originally, what I found was on long journeys it was too small, there was too much wind buffeting, so I actually made this extension that I could put on the top of it to actually give me a bit more protection. I did that while I was looking for an alternative screen, something that I could actually fit to replace the whole unit. Well, I think I've found one now. It's another Triumph screen. I'll give you full details at the end of the video, but first of all I'm going to take this screen off and then see how the other screen compares. The screen's now removed, it's over there. So now we'll see how the new screen fits, how it compares to the shape, so we can match this curved shape here onto the new screen to give me a bit more wind protection. Okay, so here's the screen fitted. I had to make a couple of brackets to fit it on, because obviously this screen is off another bike, so I had to make it fit. The only thing I'm going to do now is, I think it's a bit wide here, so I'm going to just take a trim off to follow the line of the bike. Take a trim off here, and I'll do that with the reciprocating saw so there's no chance of cracking the screen, and then just sand the edge so it all looks like it's meant to be. It actually looks quite good at the front. A bit too bulbous here for the look of the bike, but other than that, it took me about an hour or so to make the brackets. Obviously I've made them quite elaborate, but you don't have to be like that, you can make them much simpler. So I bought this screen off eBay. Okay, this is a non-standard screen and it measures 63 centimeters from that end to the top. It's made in the UK supplier, and I think it's 4mm polycarbonate, so it should last. So fingers crossed that'll give me the wind protection I need at higher speeds. And it's pretty sturdy, it seems fine, it's not moving at all. So fingers crossed, that's job done. So this screen is off a Triumph Tiger Explorer 1200 2016 XR, and it's called Tall Screen. What I like about this screen is it's got a little flip at the top, which is what I want. So it's got a steep angle on the Triumph, on the Rocket, and with a little kick at the top that should take the wind over the top of my head, so I'm not getting buffeted all the time. So once I've made those alterations around here, I'll probably bring this down to more of a point around here. I think that will look the part on the bike, and then just wait for the weather to improve and then we'll take it out and see how it goes.